Changing your username on FuboTV is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the FuboTV website or open the app and log into your account using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select profile information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Profile or Account Information. Click on this to access your profile details. Step 4. Edit username. Find the field that displays your current username. Click on the Edit option next to it and enter your desired new username. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your FuboTV username will be changed. Make sure to log out and back in to see the changes reflected in your account.